thank you for coming over. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. And I was very excited to see you all. So everybody thought that maybe book launch hai isliye. The fact was that I was meeting so many of you. I was more excited about meeting my friends. Gradually when we got to talk, then I got excited about my book. Like
याद दिलाना पड़ा था.
She had to remind me that look, we are here for the book. It's not a get together when you're meeting your friends. So thank you all of you for coming here, and I hope to see you again maybe soon. Like you braved the traffic. Thank you so much, Sumanji. Sumanji is not just a friend, she is a guru to me. You know, she knows all the technicalities of the stories. And she has taught me so much about women's issues. I can't thank her enough. Like, there were characters like, sorry, I'm deviating from the topic, but I have to mention it. Mahabharat, when we talk of women, we talk about Draupadi, Kunti, all these main women. She'll talk about Duryodhana's sister, Dushala, Hidimba, what she went through. They are such important topics, and what they went through was never mentioned, or the Dhritarashtra's mother. And do you know that Vidur's mother has no name in Mahabharata? Such an important character. Dasi, yes. Like where Arjun is called Kunti Putra, Duryodhana is Gandhari Nandan. Vidur has no mother. And he is the spotless character in Mahabharata. Everybody has a problem in Mahabharata. Kuch na kuch panga hai na. Sorry again, panga, I have to use a Punjabi name. I can't get off. So that is what she's taught me. I need to give her a special thanks. And Meeta, of course, she's such a sport. Always supports me. Such a pleasure.
प्रेरणा का प्यार है. हम सबको लाया. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All of
you. छोटी सी बात उसके बाद थैंक यू एक बार अच्छे करेंगी. प्रेरणा की आदत है इतना सा होगा ना इतना बताते हैं तो प्लीज सारा घटा करके इतना ही सुनिएगा. अब आप
थैंक यू. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I'm so excited कि मैं थैंक यू सबको बोला भी है कि नहीं. मे बी later on I'll tell you.
नहीं आपने सबको बोल दिया है प्रेरणा जी. एंड थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर हैप्पीनेस. सुमन जी, really indebted, and Meeta, and with all the thank yous, I want to leave a little warning for everyone. प्रेरणा जी को बात करने का बहुत शौक है, वो खुद ही कह चुकी हैं, लेकिन सब अपने रिस्क पे इनसे बात करें. अगली किताब आपकी कहानी उसमें ना आ जाए. So be very careful. Because last time I had told her, you know, she said कि मैं सबको जानती हूँ. मैंने कहा बाखुदा, मतलब I quickly looked up कि कहीं, thankfully I'm not there in this collection, and I have really controlled myself कि you know बहुत कुछ काला है. But you know, you get so scared. Oh my God, which snippet is she going to pick up और कहाँ मिला देंगी. And as it is, again she said ना कि बस वैसे नहीं होती ये जो character है वो उस कहानी में. So you're very scared to find yourself in an unusual situation. So please, at your own peril when you're talking to her.
That's what. Please, can
what
you
is that?
Sign this book for me, all of you.
Pankhat literature. I think you're keeping one book for yourself with it.
Yes.
Okay.
Signed from
Prerna ji wants to keep one copy of the book for herself where all of us sign for her. I think that's, again, it talks about her personality. Yeah, that's unique, and that's her. You know, she's always giving. Thank you, Prerna ji, for trusting us, and it was a pleasure working with you, and we're already looking for her 5th book. So we brought out 4 of hers, and thank you, everyone. Thank you for coming.
It feels like a family conversation to me. It looked like because I knew everybody. Thank you so much. So please sign this book before you go.
एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि एक दो ग्रुप फोटोज भी हो जाएं.
जी, आप please,
सब लोग आ जाए प्लीज.
बैठे रहे. अच्छा, ओके. हाँ, जरा एक ग्रुप फोटो प्लीज.